In this video, I'm gonna show you how to destroy any vintage item. Hi, my name is Kami, and on this page, my husband and I make lots of DIY projects and furniture flipping. I wanted to polish some old and rusty doorknobs. First, I used baking soda and vinegar. I let them soak for about half an hour and washed them. They came out good, but I decided to make them look like brand new. I used a heavy-duty rust remover chemical without checking how to use it. And boom! The chemical reaction was so strong. I added water to stop the reaction, but it wasn't helpful. All the doorknobs were destroyed and can't be used anymore. Always read the instruction before using any chemical. 5 minutes of checking can save years of history.